Ignore the fact that I'm
Right,
playing
live.
Slay the Spire instead of doing
Yeah,
game.
that's true. But yeah, let me get a picture. Let me get the picture from Discord. My fucking patio door got destroyed today.
Winnable.
Did you see the image that I sent in the group chat?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, no, this shit fucking decimated. You can even like kind of see where it like hit.
Oh, I just realized Beacon is a status card, which I can
Sure
use.
Yeah.
Contact on. That's
but yeah, the door still looks like that. They told me that it'd be about 2 weeks to replace it, sometime in the next 2 weeks, which is a little terrifying, but it doesn't seem like the door is like falling in or anything. So my biggest worry is if the glass falls in while I'm asleep, and Callie takes that as like a sign that it's time to go outside. I really don't want that to happen because, for obvious reasons, my cat is not an outdoor cat. She's not allowed to be. But anyways.
Except when she is.
Except whenever she has the supervision of me right behind her, and she's not allowed to go further than like 3 feet away from me. Oh, I forgot about this. Fuck, I pushed this up and I completely forgot about it. The or I didn't push it up. It's set to be pushed up. I can press the button. Let me push it up. I'm pushing it.
Some good.
Okay. So the title of my stream, by the way, GW, is I'm being forced to make content. So I have to make content today. I just don't know what that content's gonna be.
Does Glass Eye let me pick the cards, or are they random?
It is 5 card rewards, so you can pick them. You don't have to take them in order. You can skip through all of them and
let's go.
Which you should always do anytime you get like a multiple card reward.
Yeah.
What ascension are you? You're ascension 1? Holy.
Yeah, I suck at this game.
Holy, dude. Look at this guy. He's playing Slay the Spire 2. Ascension 1. Also, hello, Fireblast. How's it going?
Subroutine's always good. Let's go for a power build.
What needs to be done today? I might... Is this good to be cut for a build? Oh, actually, no, it's not, because I wanted to add, a menu that you open up first before it goes to the book. Because that was something people were talking about, and I think that would make sense. Having like a...
Perchance?
Just a tiny menu. What do you mean, perchance?
I don't know, I'm saying perchance, because...
You can't just say perchance.
Like it. I certainly can.
Nope.
Actually.
What's happening in this stream? I am finishing up a little bit of an update for the build that we want to cut.
Oh yeah, let me pull up your chat. Sorry, I got distracted by playing Slay the Spire 2.
Yeah, because the playtest hasn't been updated for a few months at least. Well, no, yeah, well, it's definitely been a few months because we had the. Did we have the book ready for PAX?
The book ready? What book?
The pause menu with.
Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah.
It might have been.
You pull up your chat. Do you want to share chat Twitch?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that part.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Well, it didn't matter if you remembered it or not. You wouldn't have done it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course. I almost made it to the invite button before it popped up the, do you want to join this call? Alright, sharing chat.
I also added some more songs to my playlist for anybody that cares.
What should the menu... I imagine it should be like resume, options, restart, run, close game, with the latter two having like a confirmation thing, perhaps?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Pretty much whatever Enter the Gungeon does.
You're so lame. Bro can't think for himself.
I mean, are you wrong?
Am I wrong?
Or am I wrong? Are you wrong? You're never wrong. You're like always right.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Lag.
So let me make a list for things to do today. So I'm just gonna go up here. What is today's day? It is the 30th, July 30th, 2026. Let me do pause menu. So it's gonna have the following buttons. Here, well, it's gonna be open before binder. Oh shit, actually there's gonna be a 5th button, but that's okay. Open before binder, sim simpler, fast. Buttons are going to be resume. Settings, like collection / cards or something like
I don't
that.
remember ever seeing this guy.
Restart, run, maybe a back to menu, and then an exit. With these three needing like a confirmation. I've been learning Godot for a short while. You found some of my videos very helpful. Found my channel because YouTube recommended it. Nice. Very happy. On one of their videos.
Oh, YouTube's kind of evil for that.
That's true, yeah. I should make another Godot video soon. Or maybe not soon. I should make another Godot video at some point. I was thinking about making
I still need to make a video someday.
I was thinking about making a video, like obviously like a, I want to call it like a main video, and then maybe doing something where I just kind of like talk about game dev stuff while I work on game dev, and then kind of put that up as like a side thing where it's just kind of like a stream but a little bit more structured, with a little bit more, just the tiniest bit of editing. But I don't know.
Like a bits and banter.
Yeah, like a bits analytics. Yeah.
Yeah.
So instead of the
my red mouse
binder being open first, how would I want to do this? Because this is the entire binder, which is fine. Also, why does it look like this?
Yo, I'm at Wongo's.
Nice.
Wongo can have 100 gold.
So why GW?
Mm-hmm.
This is the texture we want for the pages, right?
I'm not sure. I tried it. I don't know if I actually like it or not.
Okay, I can just leave it like this then for now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So let me think about how I want to do this, because we have the book here, and currently it just pulls the book up and says like open. But I might. Oh, I know what I can do. That's fine. Is binder's called inventory menu in here? That's. I'm gonna rename you. Binder menu. And then there's a something. No, there's I guess. Oh, there's a show inventory function. Duh. That's fine enough. And then I also want to have just like a at export var pause menu, which is going to be just a simple menu. And I'm just going to start making this here. So new control. Dude, I can't wait for them to start uploading the talks from GodotCon. Like, I really can't wait. Because I really want to see that guy's talk on UI again. Because there were a lot of really good tips that he gave. And then there were some really not bad, but like it was something where someone was like, oh, I'm doing like all of this stuff. And my immediate thought was, oh Lord, I wish I could tell you. I wish I could raise my hand right now and tell you the solution to your problem. Because there were a few things that were like, he was doing a lot of work for something that didn't need a lot of work. But regardless, the game looked really good. So I want a panel container probably here. I'll just put this bitch in the center of the screen, hide the binder. I want it to be a panel container. I definitely want it to look something just simple, like a box, and then like a, you know, the button here, the button here. So we'll just start with a VBox in this VBox container. Why is your screen just dark?
Huh?
Why is your Slay the Spire just dark?
Is it? Why? It's not.
Oh, maybe your stream just froze for me? Yeah, your stream just froze for me.
Yeah, that's awkward.
A little bit. Oh, oops. I hit
It's still frozen.
No, it's good now.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's like low quality, so I think it was just like your internet. Shit.
Yeah. It does that.
We want these big buttons.
I'm just like speed running right now. I promise I'll be done soon. You said you're gonna be late, so I had to do something about it.
Yeah. Are we fine with it looking like this, where it's got like obviously I probably would add padding. Or would you rather it look more like the the menu where it's like the text items.
The menu where it's the text items.
Here, I'll show you. I won't show you.
Okay.
Yeah, give me a sec. I changed something and I didn't change an export variable. Tee. Fuck, I haven't checked my my audio sync. So these buttons where they are just kind of like text.
Yes, I would prefer that. Yeah.
Okay, so you'd prefer just kind of like a box with just like these.
Yeah, kind of like
kind of like
Enter the Gungeon.
Yeah, kind of like Enter the Gungeon. Yeah,
like Enter the Gungeon.
I figured.
Yeah.
Did you style these with something, or are these like? Oh, they're called empty button. Okay, nice.
Oh yeah, I did. I honestly completely forgot that I did that.
This is why I'm happy that Godot just has like the option for that, so I don't have to actually rely on you to tell me.
Yeah. Godot is pretty sick.
Button and main menu button and quit button for now. So something like that, and then this needs a script attached to it, which will be, where the hell is it? It's menu. Yup. Click extend, pause, menu.
I am happy to see that it's not just Dante 9 that lags a bunch when I'm streaming.
Hmm? Oh, it's like the Spiral also lagging a bunch?
Yes.
Well, it's also using Godot, so that probably makes sense.
It's probably just that my computer sucks.
It's definitely
when I have
that
5
one.
billion things open at once.
It's 100% that one, yeah.
Just maybe. Just a thought.
Where is, okay, there's show inventory. I will show pause menu.
Show pause.
You are so lame. I knew, that's why I added menu at the end of it, because I knew you would say some shit like that. I knew you would.
It was pretty funny though.
No, it was like the most like, it was obvious, dude. That's why I tried to like add menu to the end of it, because I was like, man, I know this motherfucker's gonna say some shit. And he did. He did.
Channel 1 lightning. Trigger all of my lightning.
Oh shit, I should also... Sorry, this is supposed to be added here. I should make an automated... no. I was gonna say I should make an automated way to add these to an array, but like, who cares? We're not gonna be adding menus to this too much anyways. Even though it would take me like maybe 30 minutes, the amount of time that it takes me to add it in the first place is like nothing. Okay, like that. And then if I go to the actual game, this should pop up this menu, which I cannot hover over for reasons I've yet to figure out. I believe it's because this doesn't have... This has mouse input, not ignored. Correct. And then also these need to be... this needs to have a UI layer attached to it. And then this needs to have, each of these needs a focus item, which doesn't work the way that I hoped that it would. Like so,
Oh,
and then if I reload... What's up?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, this guy's...
I should have played subroutine before I played the card that let me play a power for free.
That's true. Yeah, card they made... Wait, what card makes you...
Not that it actually mattered because...
play it for free?
Huh? I don't remember.
Okay, no, that's fair.
Synthesis, 14 damage, next power is free.
Wait. Sorry, what is this? Start menu. What are these buttons, and how do these buttons get their background thing? Oh. Oh no, those are the old ones, which can probably be killed at this point. Oh, JW.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't make them in the theme. So even though they look like flat buttons, they're like custom things here.
Oh,
We're
oopsies.
killing him.
My bad.
Killing him.
Yeah, fair enough.
What's the main theme called? It's not called main theme, right? Is it inventory theme still? Sure fucking is.
I think so.
Yeah, we should change the name of that at some point. What is this game about? This game is, we didn't go over the thing that you wanted me to stop saying.
Stop listing out mechanics and
You're a cat in
instead.
hell, and you build a deck of cards to use in real time against enemies. What?
You're explaining mechanics again.
Okay, you're supposed to explain mechanics at least somewhat, somewhere.
Yeah.
You can't just be like, yeah, you're a cat in hell, and then that's it.
But I think saying something like, oh, you play cards in real time is better than saying, oh, you build a deck of cards, then you play the cards, then you upgrade the cards, and then you put stickers on the cards.
Okay, so imagine in the Gungeon, except it's sideways instead of top down. You build a deck of cards like this, and you can... Why am I phased? Why did I get phased?
Did you press R?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, I guess I forgot to remove that. There's a debug thing where if you press R, you
yeah.
get phased.
So you build a deck of cards. These are your weapons. You can upgrade them over time with things like things like a bouncy ball to give this bouncing. So whenever it shoots, it bounces off of walls. You can also get relics to increase certain parts of your kit. This is weird. This is down here. This should definitely be up here, I think. But yeah, it's a roguelike. With due to respect, are adult jokes allowed? Depends on how adult we're talking. Don't get like too explicit with things, but like I cuss, so I guess like as long as it's not like very obviously where you're like, yeah, this will probably get me banned. At worst, you'll probably just get like a hey, maybe don't say that. Plus, I'm scared of confrontation, so there's a decent chance you get away with it anyways.
Yeah, don't say that.
Let's see, what should this button be called, JW? Like the button without a background that gets highlighted whenever you hover it, like
button flat. No. What was it called when with the other thing that you thought
it was called empty button.
Yeah, that's probably fine.
But it's already called empty button. So like I can't make a new empty button because it needs to be an empty.
Is the one I'm confused then what empty button is if you're making a new one?
Empty button, I don't remember where it's used, but it's used somewhere probably. And I don't want to just like overwrite it.
Okay.
Let's see. I'll just call it like menu button. A flat menu button is different.
Here we go. Alcor is cooking. As Dante, an adorable cat with a vengeance, you traverse hell in a 2D platformer where you use real-time card combat with roguelike mechanics as you conquer the ever-changing layers and chambers. Could be a little tweaking, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, so it's like Enter the Gungeon except for not top-down. I like my description better because I'm a programmer.
I still think Enter the Gungeon, but sideways is a horrible description.
Okay, well then make a better one. But I don't know how to make a better one.
Yeah, exactly.
See, that's the problem. Let's see. Let's make all of these. Bonk, 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 bonk. Let's make these use this empty line button, I've called it, because I'm terrible. The worst person that's ever. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Frogs are great and don't have teeth and great tongue. Let me, oh my god. How do I even fucking look this up?
What?
Hold on. I don't know. My parents have a mug in their house that reminded me of that. It's like, cause like there's the princess that has to like kiss a frog or whatever. Maybe don't reference another game when describing your own. Yeah, I mean, that's true, but
He's still gonna do it.
yeah,
He
I
doesn't care.
am. Well, because like that's an easy way to do it, and like I'm not the marketing guy. You
But
are.
like, I'm
so, like,
lazy. I'm not making. All right, bro.
yeah, dude.
I'm
Correct.
killing you.
You are correct. Also, why are these buttons so wide?
Because I like them like that.
You'd rather them be wide?
Yeah, it feels weird if it's like the size of the text. Just imagine if the highlight went to like where the text ended.
What if it was like just like a little bit less than like the text, where it was like, because like
Mm.
this menu looks really weird with the really long buttons. You know what I mean?
No, I don't think that looks weird at all.
Okay.
Can you open it like in game?
Maybe. I can't close it in game, but I can open it.
Cool.
Yeah, there. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, that looks fine.
But like, what if it was like down here?
I mean, that works too. Literally either is fine.
Okay. Now I need to make these buttons actually do something. Also, why does this button not... Is it cancel? Yeah.
Also, I'm almost done with my Slay the Spire run, sorry. If I end up beating this, it's gonna be really funny.
There we go. That works. How the fuck does that work? How does that even work? Wait, I actually don't understand this. So Godot has a style that gets applied to buttons whenever you've got them like focused or hovered. But if I put the mouse on it and then I refocus it with the keyboard, it gets double highlighted. But I thought it would just apply one style. You were just about to say maybe make the buttons the size of the text, and then he said he doesn't like it. Yeah, I don't know. He's weird. Also, let me fix this health bar thing. It's right here. Because I would like for this to reach to the sky.
I'm getting close
So
to
that
dying.
So that the relics pop up at the top. That feels... How does that feel, JW? Thoughts, prayers?
Hmm?
Relics up here.
If they feel like
They're a little
they're
disconnected.
very out of place. Yeah, they're very disconnected. That's the word that I was looking for, I think.
Yeah, the only problem is like if they're down here, you end up with this weird thing with as you add more relics, they like go up. And that feels really weird.
What if we don't display the relics?
We
You
could
don't
do
need
that.
to
We
know
could put
what
them on the
relics
map,
you have.
like enter the gungeon.
I don't like them being in the map and into the gungeon. I think they should just be like in your inventory.
That's crazy.
No, I don't like it.
That's insane. First said, nah, fuck that. I mean, fair enough, but like, I guess you're allowed to have any opinions that you want, even if they are wrong.
Also, why does this like shader effect look really cool? I never noticed this.
Because it's
Whatever
cool.
this is in this room.
Because it's shaders. Shaders are sick.
Also, what? I just noticed the name of this too. I just don't pay attention to anything in this game. I just click the
Correct.
buttons.
Did you duplicate your deck?
No, of course
What's
not.
the alternative on that?
Downgrade 2 cards, upgrade 4, which is like a lot better in most cases.
Yeah, unless you have like unless you have the uproar into uproar into uproar combo.
Yeah.
How you lost with like a 400 uproar run is unknown to me.
Why did I do that?
If it's just in the inventory, it would
Yeah, a little bit.
probably would look nice, yeah. Oh my... Yeah, no, that's definitely the right call, is putting the binder on, like, being able to press I to see the binder, because I just pressed I out of instinct.
Yeah, I mean, literally
Yes, it's
copying
like
what Gungeon does is perfectly fine because so many people have played Gungeon that they're going to try to press the same buttons to do the same thing because the same kind of people are going to play the same kind of game.
Why is this...
So, like, it makes sense.
Why is this locked to, like, my screen? This is weird. What the hell? What's actually happening here? I don't know if I've had this happen before.
Oh, yeah.
Am I in single window mode on accident?
Do echo form, yes, please.
I am. Let me turn that off and see if that
Give me
changes it.
something good. Oh no, I don't have enough for Trash to Treasury. The best card of all time. These are worth
Super
it. Let's
Mario
take
in real life.
I think another cure-all will help.
Just one more cure-all, bro, I promise.
Yeah.
Godot, thank you.
That's the last shot before the boss, so I had to buy something.
Don't have to. What would you call this? No, I'm just kidding. It's called Show Binder or Show Collection. Yeah. And it probably doesn't even need like a controller binding, but maybe it should.
Ouch. Hopefully I can kill him here because that is a lot of damage. No, I shouldn't have done that. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I keep doing the wrong play. There we go.
I really like getting to the point in the code where I can just be like, yeah, dude, hopefully I can just like trust that things are fine to be, like I can just like call a function and pray that it works. And it sure fucking does, dude. I can't open up the binder, and now I can. Now I just actually have to hook up the buttons. So, put this into a scene so it's easier to work with. I think I can select all of these, right? Yeah, cool.
Okay, we lock in here.
Does this have a built-in function? No, it sure doesn't. Ah, shit, wait, no, this doesn't work, right? Because this needs, Ah, shit, hold on.
Okay.
Let me make a helper function for this.
Who knows, that was dumb. Do I have any more powers, or did I play all my powers? Get all my powers, okay. Well, that's a lot of damage. And I get all the blocks when he's not attacking.
No, I'm not even gonna have an else here. I'm just gonna do that. We don't need an else.
I'm dead. I
Holy.
suck.
Guy can't even get past
It's always that
Ascension
last
1.
phase.
That's crazy. Like, that's insane.
It's always the last phase on that guy.
Sure is.
Okay, it's game dev time. Why did your chat die? Oh, there we go. It's back. Also, that was pretty good. Like 30-minute run.
Mm-hmm. First thinks he's Wilson. That's crazy. So on
Pretty
resume
much.
pressed, I can probably just call cancel. On settings pressed, I can call cancel, and then I can call menus.show inventory. Actually, I think I can just call menus.show inventory.
Also, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the debug phase thing.
Whoa, imagine that.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, what's that under? I want to get
Um,
rid of that on my side as well before you even push
It's
it up.
in the
'Cause it's...
physical affinity handler. It's the last like lines in the script.
Cool. Okay, that works. Resume works. Quit obviously doesn't. Because I want that to show like a... How would you want this to... What do you want this to do whenever you click this? Because I said it should have a confirmation. How would you want it to confirmation?
I think it should swap out like the menu to like a confirmation, and then no, so it wouldn't like show like an overlay. It would like change the.
What if it did like a thing where it replaced it with like an "Are you sure?" and then you could click it again? Or like really?
No, I don't like that. Because then it's like if you accidentally click it twice, it like
Oh no!
just instantly closes.
Well, that's why you have like a little delay to it before it does it. Like
No, I don't. I'm just saying no. I don't like that.
evil.
So you're saying the button would swap out to like a confirmation?
Yeah, it would
The
like
button
replace
itself?
it. Like it would do like a little animation of
No.
it replacing the text with like an "Are you sure?"
No.
Ew.
Sorry.
Gross.
I'm just saying that like as in terms of usability, that is not. I don't like it. It should very clearly pop up a separate menu that has a confirmation on it.
Okay. Whatever.
All right. Aren't you like that UX guy?
Yeah, and I think I like this UX better. Where if I'm like, I want to get out of the game, I can just go pop pop.
Well, you're wrong. So
As long as we have the ability to press Alt F4 to close the game, I'm fine with it. Because there are too many games that prevent you from doing that.
can we
pisses me
remove
off.
the ability to do that?
I hate you.
I don't know what I want the phased effect on the player to look like.
Well, you ever heard of this little game called Terraria?
Hey, you want to write a shader for it?
I mean, it's probably not that bad. I also hate whenever you can't press Alt F4 in game. Like, whenever I'm playing Dwarf Fortress, if I just want to quickly close the game, it is faster for me to just open up my fucking task manager and then close it through that with like a force kill button than it is to just like wait for the quit without saving and then go back to the menu and hit just quit again because they like override it and I'm like, ugh. Okay, so this is fine.
So the phase does work, by the way.
Yeah.
It just needs a little bit of
A little bit of love.
yeah, a little bit of like game juice
Oops,
or
I put this on
whatever.
the settings button. Lol.
Oh yeah, I forgot the flying guys can't shoot you. I spawned under testing.
If you pull the changes that I
Oh, you
pushed,
fixed
they
that?
can.
Oh, did you push no changes?
I sure did.
I just had Godot open from. I will pull the changes.
Does this mean with this new the new layout thing of this, do you think we should get rid of the settings
What?
thing here?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm so happy that you said yes to that because that
I'm
makes so many
confused
things.
why there would be any way that we would want that in there
What?
still.
I don't know because you're weird. That's
Like,
why.
yeah, I want to have two different places to access the settings, and one of them is by pressing right trigger 5 times in the book menu, and then it pops up a different menu that isn't the book.
That's so interesting that you said pressing right trigger 5 times instead of saying pressing left trigger a single time. And it says so much about your character that's how
It
you
literally says nothing.
It says so much because you're the type of motherfucker that doesn't use like correct
You're-
things.
I hate this guy.
Let's see. Cosmod, total pages. I don't want total pages to be a thing anymore, actually. Believe it or not. Oh, I guess I'll just remove the +1. If this is greater than that, current index is that. Otherwise, If not settings menu or close settings, I think I can just do this, right? Like I can just say like bonk. I can just get rid of the settings menu completely. Sure can.
Why are you getting rid of the settings menu?
Oh my god, I hate you. I'm
Does it just
blowing you
work?
up.
Cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Are we both working on the same Godot project? And if so, how? Yeah, so we are working on it. It's not like a real-time thing, but it's like he makes changes, I make changes, and then we can merge them together through Git. So like if I go over here and take a look at our recent changes. So this is what he just committed like yesterday. Which commit is just like you take the things that you've done on your local side. Like you can see the code that I just changed here. It's like, here's the change that I've done. And so I can say, okay, well, I want to stage it, and I can put a message, and then I can commit it, and it'll like push it up for him to get. And so these are the changes that he made. And so I can see those. He pushed those up to the GitHub repository, and then I'm able to push my changes or pull his changes, which is what happened here. Was I pulled his changes, and then it gave me the ability to like merge things together, because I had to merge like wherever the hell it's at. I guess it's not in here. That's a little weird. It was like something he changed, I also changed, and so Git was like, hey, I don't know how to resolve this. How do you want to resolve it? And because Godot scenes are like so nice and easy to read, you can kind of just like do it yourself. You can like look like, here's what I want to change, and here's what he changed. I'm not gonna do that. Settings menu doesn't exist anymore. If there's no sub window open though, that's probably still fine. Settings. Those settings can be killed.
Why is the health bar down there?
I hate you.
What? I'm asking.
Because that's what you said.
No, it's not.
Well, you were like, yeah, I kind of like it. You can move it back to the top if you want.
It,
okay.
But...
Okay, I'll just revert it then before we build it.
maybe it's nice. I don't know.
It's a little weird, but I also think that it works better for the mana to be down there at least. Like, it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Do I ever think they'll add live collaboration to Godot? Probably not. I imagine that there is, like, if I were to go, this is the asset store, not the... Is there a way to get the old asset library back? Like, just to be able to get...
It's literally the same thing.
It's not.
I don't know why
there are things that are not in here that were in the asset library. This isn't like...
You're weird.
This isn't me saying, can I replace this? I mean, can I also see what's in the asset library? Because there are things that just haven't been put in here yet.
I have no clue.
Ew. One of the most recent things is AI Copilot. I'm going to look at this add-on. I'm not adding it. I don't like it. A Copilot / Claude style AI coding agent right inside the Godot editor. Chat with an LLM that actually does the work. It reads through files, writes, and refactors. Oh, dude, become a fucking moron and let AI do everything for you. That's so true. What was I looking at in here? Live collaboration. There might be like some sort of live thing.
By his rage.
Huh?
So bro got distracted by his rage.
I sure did. I hate AI so much. God, it pisses me off. Yeah, I doubt that they'll add like a direct thing inside of Godot, but it may be something that you can, that someone will add at some point. I'm gonna check the asset library because it's not. I just looked up asset library without even including Godot. I just hoped that it would show up, and it didn't. Let's see, live. Can I sort by? No, I can't. Not really. Didn't mean to click on that. What would it be called? Like a live collaborate? Something like that? No. Like a Google Sheets kind of collab or whatever would be sick. Hop on League Classic? Yeah, for sure. For sure, Moaz. Yeah. Absolutely, yeah. Let's play some League of Legends right now. Fucking evil. And then I can go... I don't know why I didn't make this like just a menu on its own before, but I definitely should have. How is the start
Game's
menu
so
getting...
laggy.
Wait, how is the start menu getting a settings menu? Oh, it's just in here. Okay, you're gone. And you're in here now. Are you a menu? Oh, you aren't. That's sad. Now you are.
What is causing this?
What's causing what? What's up?
Oh, is that it? No. Something's... There we go.
What's the search result thing in the bottom? So if you do Control-Shift-F, or I believe it's under... JW, do you know how to do the full project search by chance? I'm sure that there's a keybind for it. I just don't know what it is. But you can do Control-Shift-F to find... it's actually maybe over here somewhere. I lied. Oh, whatever. Control-Shift-F works. You can like search for something in your code. You can also specify a subfolder, either by going through here or just like typing it. And then it'll show you all the results in your project, I think is what I had open. I'm assuming so at least. I probably wouldn't use live collaboration over Git, to be honest, just because JW and I work on so many different things that it might honestly be more distracting to see what he's doing in real time. Because then I'll go over there, I'll stare at what he's coding, and I'll be like, no, you shouldn't do that. No, put something else there.
Yeah, he would do that.
Yeah. Let's see. So, settings... Why do you have a signal connected to what? To yourself? There's no way. No, you don't. Okay. Why do you... Oh, you do have a signal connected. Is it to yourself? There's no way. This is like a holdover from like old code.
Oh, and
No?
I did get the purple tile map working for the most part. It was a little bit of a pain, but
Nice.
it's purple.
It's purple.
So yeah, I probably will avoid drawing tile maps like this as much as I can, but it's nice.
Let's see. So does this reference a settings menu? It sure does.
So you need to make an icon for the phased status. Forgot to do that before.
Oh no, toggle settings is this function isn't used anywhere else, right? It is. I think that's fine to get rid of because I'll just replace it with a better function in just a second. Anything else about settings in here? No, nothing meaningful. Let's see. So I'll go to menus now. I've got settings as an actual thing, so I'll go in here and add a new settings menu. Export variable. Drag that over. Add it as a menu. Alright, something like that, I think. That's probably fine. And then back inside of start menu, right here. I'll just do menus dot show settings. And pause menu. My live stream gives you some motivation to work on your project. I'm happy to hear it. You should look into a concept called body doubling if you feel like it's giving you motivation. That's a very common, very, very common thing. It's Not saying that you have ADHD, but it's a very common thing with ADHD people where, let me see if I can find a, no, okay, whatever. I was gonna find something that's not light mode, but that's not happening, so.
You are evil.
Yeah, I know.
Like, it doesn't have light mode, I'm not reading it.
Pretty much, but it's a thing where you are like around people who are also working on something, and it makes you more likely to want to work on something. Which is something that we end up finding ourselves doing on Discord with like our friends and shit, is like when one person starts working on something, everyone else is like, okay, well now I gotta start working on my project, or else you're gonna feel, you know, I guess it's not even like guilty. I guess it's just like more, it's easier to do. You think you have ADHD? Yeah. Join the club. Alright, so that works. This is good. Does this work if I press escape while remapping? Sure doesn't. Settings GD. Sub window. No. That's because cancel is this. I can go to card binder because I know you have what I want. Sub window open. This one. That's what I want. Oh, I just realized. Oops, I'm sorry. Thank God it's midnight. My token limit has reset. I can prompt again. I'm sorry I missed that message. That's funny as fuck. My OBS had the wrong tab open.
That's really funny.
My token limit reset. I can prompt again. Thank fuck, man. I really had motivation to work on my game, but I was out of tokens, so I just couldn't. This doesn't have a process right now.
Yeah, that happens to me a lot too.
Yeah, that's true. Except you don't have a token limit because your dad works at, like, for an AI company, I think, right?
It's not true.
How would you know? What did your dad do then? Do you even know?
I don't know.
See?
That stuff.
That stuff. I don't even know if that's true. I've talked to you before. I don't think that's true.
It's probably not.
Also, this should not be up here. This should be way the fuck up here.
How do you like this phased icon? I don't like it, but it's like a little spirally do.
Looks like a stun.
Yeah, it does.
So I'm not a
This
huge
is
fan.
the stun. This is the stun here.
No, but like that reads as a stun.
Yeah. I don't know what a phase would look like. I'm trying to think.
Oh, thank
Just
you,
like a
Callie.
shield.
Very cool. Callie knocked something
Callie
over and
just like
scared the
knock
fuck out
over
of
or
her.
something. Okay.
Yeah.
Dumb.
No, I think she was lying in her cat bed. I think she stretched out and she knocked something over with her fucking feetsies.
She's so smart.
She is. She's also got really bad anxiety, so like, you know. Callie and I honestly have a lot in common.
Mm-hmm. Anyways, what would the phased icon look like?
I'm trying to think of like what game has the phased icon that I'm picturing in my head. Slay the Spire has phased. What does it look like in that game?
It has barrier.
Or no, it's not called phased. Sorry, it's called Is it not called phase? Intangible. It has intangible.
Doesn't it have like a little skull?
I don't
It's
know.
like a little skull with sparkles.
It's a little shield with sparkles, actually.
What?
Yeah.
I thought it was a little skull.
Nope.
I think the right deal pulled up.
So
Oh,
I
that's
think
what it
this Funny. Look, I accidentally went to the Slay the Spire 1 wiki first, which unfortunately is on fandom. But this is what the icon looked like in Slay the Spire 1, which is a little gross.
Yeah, that looks kind of terrible, yeah.
It's a little gross.
But yeah, I think a little shield would probably work, yeah.
A little shield, or I was thinking, I really don't know what game has it, but like, kind of like this icon, but like every other line is like interlaced. If you know what I'm talking
yeah,
about.
except the player is a cat, so like we can't do that.
That's true, yeah. Let me open up a sprite. I'm curious how hard this would be to...
Oh no.
What?
That's
You don't even know what I'm
scary. It's hard
doing.
to hear.
Let me open up a sprite.
How
Uh-oh.
to scare
Take
your
cover,
artist.
everybody. Can I...
Literally.
Can you select... Oh no, I don't know how to do this. Never mind. I might give up. Because I was like, I don't know
What
how...
are you trying to do?
to select like checkerboard pattern wise. I don't know if you can do that. I can't imagine
What are
that
you trying to do?
I want to select every other line of pixels.
Like this?
Yeah, but I don't want to do that manually because this is a 256 tall image.
Why are you doing it on a 256
Because I'm just
tall image?
okay, whatever, dude. It's called a proof of concept.
Just make it smaller.
Nope.
Whatever.
I hate this guy.
This guy is like evil.
Cancel. If sub window open. I guess this would be not sub window open. I also do really like one that's completely unrelated to anything that you've just said. Also, hello, operator. Operator.
Okay. Operator, that's a pretty great name.
I really like that I can tell what piece of code was written by you and what was written by me just based on, like, are there any exclamation marks or and signs? If so, that's me. Otherwise, it's like if it has words, it's probably written by you.
Yeah, because words are better. Nope, we're not doing that. Looks terrible. Maybe like a little out, just like a secondary outline. My scroll wheel is so broken I can't zoom in.
Am I like stupid or something?
Maybe.
Because this is definitely following this, right? Yeah. Oh. I am stupid is the answer. Okay, yeah, there we go. That prevents it. And then whenever I open this up, that... Okay, cool. You know, I will make it smaller. You're right. You've convinced me. Alright, so here's a sprite we're working with. It's a small 4x4 sprite. Did you say you can use the and sign instead of saying and, or did I just hear you wrong? Yeah, you can use the and sign, like right here.
It's like the wrong way to do it, but yeah, you can.
Because this line can either be written, like you can either do this, or you can do this. So it is your call on which one you do. Technically, the Godot style guide recommends this one, but I absolutely hate this. Because the other things are comparison, or they're like operators, and operators should not use words. It's like very, like this is very clear that what we're doing is we're using a Boolean negation operator. This is very clear that we're using a Boolean comparison. Like these, the only reason that they're clear is because we know what the word and, not, and whatever other ones are. Plus I come from a C background, so like I really like...
yeah, so like you're weird.
Yeah, C style languages are like my fucking beloved. You do exclamation mark for not and for and. Oh lord.
As you should.
No, but I don't know if you heard what they said, because you don't use exclamation mark, you use the word not.
It depends on the day.
Ah, okay. No, at least you're consistent with yourself on the day. Sometimes. Yeah, I really don't like it whenever a thing is, like, the operator is written in words. It just, I don't know, something about, like, it doesn't make sense to my brain. But there's definitely, like, the wrong way to do it, which is, let me lock the fuck in on these lines, dude. Oh my god, I'm kind of going crazy with it right now. Fuck, I messed it up the second I started bragging.
Yeah. So.
Let me change the sprite size so it doesn't, like, fuck it. Cool, that doesn't look good in the slightest.
Let's see.
Yeah, no. It definitely would require
That's
a little
not
bit
at
of
all
thinking
what
and
I was
working.
thinking.
Like, it would probably want, like, you probably want, like, a low opacity version.
Let me show you what I was thinking. Okay, so, here, let me pull it up real quick just for reference.
He's pulling it up.
Let me just draw a little mini version of it real quick. Let's see how fast we can do this. So the guy, he's got like, here, let me that,
Did this go on this layer? Am I like stupid? It sure did. Control I? No, Control Shift I. Copy.
Like my scroll wheel's so broken, I need a new mouse so badly. Allegedly, there's a way to fix it, but yeah. It's got little arms. He's got big legs like this.
Why can't I move this to the side? Excuse me? Why is this just the... Oh wait, no, I've got an idea. Hold on. I'm like a genius or something. I can go here. I can... How do you select a frame in a sprite?
You click on it.
No, but like how do you control select the
I think you have to follow auto operator.
Is it not control? Oh, it's when I'm there we go. All right, I figured it out. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
What? What could I possibly be doing? Yeah, no, don't ask me. Do not trust this thing. With an arrow pointed at me.
See, this is like what I was thinking, where it has like little lines cut out of it. Obviously, mine's a little bit like lower resolution than yours, but do you see what I got going on here?
Yeah, give me a second.
I thought that this is what you were thinking.
This looks like shit.
Let me see. What are you cooking up over there?
Not good is the answer.
No. Oh no. What are you doing? Here. Try what I did here on yours.
Nope.
Let's see how it looks.
Okay, no, that looks like ass. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is why he doesn't touch the art.
Yeah. Word operators are part of the basic tradition. I don't give a fuck about basic. That's not true. Basic's really cool.
That's crazy. This guy like is just a hater for the sake of being a hater.
No, but more things in the world deserve to be hated. We need to have more like conviction about opinions. Like fuck you for using Python.
Oh,
there it is. Boom.
what did I do?
Not you. Anyone who's using Python, fuck you. I'm just kidding.
What's wrong with Python?
This
guy like just hates everybody.
Yeah, that's true. Nah, Python's fine. It's just not my favorite language.
Right,
it's like...
Ooh, okay, here's my little icon for it.
It's a decent language, but I would rather not use it. It's just a shield. Whoa.
Yeah, exactly.
There was nothing wrong with Python or Go. All right, GW, can put on VidiVision. Are we on VidiVision?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna pull it up.
So the first thing about your statement that you're wrong about, first of all, is like Python. There is definitely things wrong with Python. There's way too much like implicit stuff. The syntax is really weird. Like class inheritance looks like a constructor, but that's weird. Go. I don't know very much about the language. I haven't used it. However, I know for a fact that there is something wrong with Go, not Godot, which is this guy.
He's so good.
I don't think that there's
trust
anything
son.
that you could ever tell me about Go that would make me think positive of it, specifically because of this thing.
He's such a little guy.
This is the Gopher. What is his name again?
He's a little guy.
What's his name?
Is it just Gopher?
No, he has a name.
I don't know.
What is his name? Oh no, sorry, just kidding. He has no name. Okay.
That is pretty fire.
So yeah, this is the Go mascot. JW.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this?
About what? What am I looking at? It's pretty great. It's pretty great. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's so bad that it's good. Like, I
If we
need
want to
that
compare
next
this
to my
to a
ghetto
language with a good
plushie.
mascot, a Rust mascot,
No, all right.
Ferris
We're
the
lying.
crab. I don't even use
No,
Rust.
he's kind of ugly. He's kind of ugly.
It's cute ugly. I mean,
Yeah, it's like so bad that it's good. The Rust one's just like
what
kind of
the
mediocre.
fuck is this? What is this? Why are we... Yeah, anyways, so that's what
Anyways,
I feel about Go. So like regardless of anything else about the language, you are wrong in saying that there's nothing wrong with it. Could try a Bayer dither on the guy instead of the lines. Might keep the shape a little better. Also, I don't know if you're still in Biddy Vision or not.
no, of course not.
Oh, a Bayer dither. That's the... Yeah. That's the dithering that we have on the one shader.
Yeah, the one shader. Yeah.
Ooh, that's actually an idea. I wonder how hard that would be to do an A sprite. Can you... How do you do a dither in A sprite? For like...
I don't know.
He does know is the problem. I know that he does. Oops.
Yeah,
That's...
yeah, I know, definitely.
Where's the gradient tool?
Yeah, for sure. Now.
Here it is. Dithering Bayer matrix 4x4. With... How do I make the colors? Is it... Okay, yeah. Am I like going insane? How the fuck do I... For visible layers... Tolerance. Oh, this needs to be max tolerance, right? Is that it? Yeah, okay, cool. And then I can make a selection of this. How do you... How do I select what's just visible on the layer? I guess that. And then I can...
Here, let me look. I can help.
I
What are you
want
trying to do?
I want to make it so that it goes from the current color to invisible. And I don't know how to do that using this.
I don't know if there's a way to do that because I
There
think the only
is.
way to.
I can do this at least. Like I can get it to work. I just wish that there was
Yeah,
an easy
you
way
can.
to do
You
it.
could just do the gradient and then select all
Yeah.
of the color that you don't want, and then get rid of it.
Oops, wrong way.
I have no idea what you're trying to do right now, but that's okay. Good luck.
Look at that. See, that worked. Kinda. I'd probably make
Yeah, it
the
looks
gradient a
terrible.
little bit like. I'd probably make it like a little bit less like that, but
Yeah,
like maybe a little bit more like.
That's too much. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what you're doing.
Whoa.
There
He's
you go.
getting
Like
killed.
kind of works. Yeah, but also that's way too large for the icon size.
Yeah, it
aren't you?
definitely is. But where are these other messages you're coming? The JW's chat. JW's this one right here that I'm circling with my mouse on my screen. That's JW. He's streaming on YouTube, and then also my Twitch chat, which is merged with his Twitch chat. So any messages that come through those will show up on the combined chat thing up here. Just so you can watch on whatever platform you feel like being on and see other people's messages. Because some people really like watching on Twitch, and some people really like watching on YouTube. And personally, I think YouTube makes more sense. But what was I doing? Okay, I just got settings to work.
You're making content. That's what you're doing.
Probably, but
Yeah, that's what you said.
I did. And I'm making the menu. Alright, so the settings menu works here. If I go to the start menu, or if I actually start the game, settings, this works. Cool. Collection opens with Finder, or I can just press I and it opens it up. I'm in the settings menu and I press I, it doesn't open anything up. Cool. Main menu is a button that doesn't work. You like YouTube way better than Twitch. There's people that will switch to watch on Twitch. I don't know. Some people really like watching on Twitch. The chat is... I don't know. The chat functions are better on Twitch, and the YouTube watching experience is better on YouTube. The YouTube watching experience better on YouTube. Nice.
I feel like if you don't have to deal with ads, then Twitch is better.
I
Twitch
would
ads are
much
really annoying.
rather watch on YouTube regardless of ads. Just because the built-in video player is like way better. Because it's built to be a video player, and you can also like go back in the stream if you miss something way easier on YouTube.
One thing I just noticed that's kind of funny is the numbers don't update on here if you're not in combat.
What numbers?
So like that says 9 on it.
Oh.
But if I press 3, it uses it.
What? Where did that number come from? Why did it say 9 originally?
Because I had 9 cards in hand.
And then what happened?
Like if I had a bunch of cards.
Yeah.
Let's say I press 5, and then press 5, and then 5, and then 5, and then 5. It always play the 5th one, but the numbers aren't accurate.
Oh, it's because it doesn't draw another card into that spot.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's actually not because it's not in combat, it's because those numbers never update.
Yeah. Also, I think this new phase icon looks decent.
It's a little covered up by the number.
Yeah, all the icons kind of are.
Yeah. Might be something
That's
worth
what it is.
changing a little bit. Okay, so
I think it's
settings
fine.
menu works. Let me make a confirmation menu. Which I don't want to do, but I will. How many menus do you think we're gonna do about that one like a confirmation thing? It's probably not that many, right?
No, probably not.
Okay. Then I'll just make it like it's a scene still, but like it's not gonna be like a menu itself, because I think that if we wanted to use it a bunch, we would put it as a menu itself, but if we're just gonna reuse it a few times, it's just gonna be like a control node that you can
What do you mean as a
instantiate.
menu itself?
So like in our menus list, the menus that exist right now are like the pause menu, the binder, the inventory, the forge.
Oh, yeah.
Like
yeah,
these
yeah,
are
I see what
menus
you're
that
saying.
exist, or like even whenever you open up a card pack, it spawns itself in as a menu. Whereas like this would be like a menu on top of the pause menu, or not on top of, but like this menu hides itself while the other one's open.
Yeah. I'll be back in just a second. I drank too much Dr. Pepper.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's fair. Panel container again. It's gonna be like the exact same as this, I think. Yeah, it sure will be. Fuck it, we'll just copy and paste it. Who cares? And this is going to be... Actually, it's going to have a label. Probably a rich text label. What the hell? Oh, here we go. And then I'll make it centered. Top aligned is fine. Definitely not that. Maybe an outline. No, you don't have MSDF turned on this font, so let's not do that. Theming. Ew. Ew. Maybe this one. Except like larger to like maybe just 50 is fine actually, who cares? You wish you had a friend who was as invested in game development as you are. You got one who's addicted to Roblox Studio. Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that your friend is being exploited. It's actually crazy how much money Roblox takes from developers. think, isn't it like, from what I remember, you have to make like a certain amount of money to be able to like cash out, but that amount of money is like obscene. It's like what, like the words. It's like 100,000 that you have to do to get cash out or something. Let me see. When do you get paid in Roblox? Roblox payment requirements. That might be the better thing to look up. Someone on Reddit tell me an answer, because I don't feel like going to... I'm not reading the AI overview. I'm better than that. Okay, I can't read that shit. There's too many words. 100,000 Robux. Okay, that a little bit, yeah. But yeah, it's from what I remember, I watched a video on it a while back, so it may have changed, but I'm pretty sure that it's like very like the developers kind of get screwed over a lot on Roblox. Which is very unfortunate because
Okay.
hello. We're talking about Roblox.
Oh no.
You never played Roblox,
I
right?
love Roblox. No, I did a long time ago.
Really? What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's not true.
I had like 10 billion hours on Phantom Forces.
Oh, that's... yeah, Phantom Forces is sick. Let me... Can I duplicate this? I think I can. I think I can go to manage items and duplicate it? Maybe not. I guess I'm wrong. I'm a little surprised. What the fuck is this menu? I've never actually looked at this menu. What the hell's going on here?
Huh?
Empty.
What the heck? What's that?
It's the theme importer menu. Themes are under...
Interesting.
Is theme under data? UI? No. Where the fuck did... Where's our theme at, JW?
Our theme? I don't know, no clue.
Where's it saved at? You don't know? Fair enough.
Nope.
What's up?
I said nope.
Assets. Nope. I chose the wrong one. Invalid file. Okay, yeah, so I can't. Okay, that's fine. I was just hoping that maybe I could, like, toss it in. Line. What did I call them? Empty line button. Empty line button large.
Okay. What am I doing? I made the icon. Yeah, add the make this thing look better. I don't think the rotation things are the right way to go, so I will hide them for now. See how it looks with just that. It'll probably look terrible.
Okay, so these should be the exact same, except I'm gonna unlink them because this is the small one, which means I want to make their content margins tiny. Which... what? Oh, it's here. We'll make it 64, probably. I think that's what I want to do. And then for the large one, we'll do the same thing, except... disabled, focus, hover, normal, pressed, make it unique, and then under normal, I'll make this the 240 view had this, so that these guys can be these small buttons. Yeah, dude. Okay. What? Ooh. GW, do you remember, or can
Mhm.
you, oh, actually don't look. Okay.
I'm looking.
All right, so imagine for a moment, we have this box
Imagining. I'm
that
thinking.
says, you know, do you want to do something? And you have two buttons in
Yes.
front of you.
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
Right is like continue. Left is go back.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There's no.
Okay.
There's no other way to do
I just
it.
wanted to make sure. If it changed, it got worse because they're cooking their developers. You've got a long way you can go before you can be called a game developer, probably. You can I mean, no, not really. There's no real, like, at what point can you be called a game developer? It's just kind of like, at what point do you... It's more of like, when can you brag about it, you know? I know, it's like, I mean, if you're making games, then, like, you're a game developer. Are they shit games? Doesn't matter, they're games. Games are games.
Yeah, I've seen a lot worse game developers than you probably.
That's
Don't worry.
true. There's this little game called Dante's 9.
Yeah. I moderate multiple game dev servers, and there are a lot of bad game devs.
Yeah.
A lot.
This little button.
I love being a Discord mod.
Permit button.
I love having a good stream playlist. It actually makes streaming a lot better.
See, I was just thinking about that because, oh my god, what is the name of this song? I can't look at it right now. It's on the One Shot Solstice album. It's Simulation, I think, by Michael Shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is. The Simulation. Fuck. Dante's 9 is probably shit. Would hate to be the developer of the game. So fucking true, actually.
Yeah, true. Oh, also, I tried listening to Napcast, and it was horrible.
What song did you listen to?
I don't know, just like whatever the top few songs on Spotify were.
That's crazy. Bro said I hate Napcast. I'm gonna go check
Yeah.
Spotify now. Please don't put I'm putting your screen on. I realized I opened
It
up
wasn't
Spotify,
horrible.
I didn't know
it was
what,
just like not
I
my
didn't know
kind
what
of music.
monitor would open.
It was
up.
very much your kind of music. Which is
Yeah.
funny.
Let me see what the most popular. Oh, Seaside Summer, Pop and Panic, Learn to Breathe Again, Breakfast. I don't know Breakfast. After Circus. Oh, it's like all from Pop and Panic. None of it's from fucking the newest album. Interesting. Help desk.
Oh, also, I don't know if this is on the list of bugs somewhere. But are you aware of this bug
What bug?
where if you shoot through, it spawns like a billion of the it spawns one of the hit particles for each like just all the way along here. I don't know if you can see it very well. But I think we ran this before, then I forgot about it.
Let me see if I wrote it down. I'll take care of that after this this thing. Base gun ability T-skin, which has a script called pistol, right? Pistol ability. Did I put a do in here? This is old. This is the wrong one. Isn't it? Wait, AK-47 uses what? Where? No, okay, I guess this isn't weird. I thought this was old. Oh no, sorry, it's the projectile. That's why I'm like, something's wrong here. It's this one. Is there 8 to do in here? When spawning, move it away from this. What the fuck? Okay, well that's just wrong. I guess I didn't put a do in here, but yeah, it's if collision, break. Yeah. So I'm actually doing something a little wrong in here, which is this thing is, it should be wait, what is this? On hit particle. Oh, it's this part. This, why does this spawn even if you, I think you added this. Why is this here? I think I remember talking to you about this, and I think I told you to do this, and I don't know why I did.
Yeah, I don't know either.
So the issue is this part. If current pierce is less than pierce count, is like for dealing damage to the thing, and then this part is actually for like spawning the on hit particles. So the thing that's a little weird here is that this probably, or at least I would think it would be in the other one, but I can look at it, and I can also I can make it so that it exits out of this once it reaches the end of the thing.
Okay.
Also, hello Naga, how's it going? Also, why'd you call? Oh, maybe you're talking about someone else. Yeah, because you said favorite furry streamer, which is not me, and you mentioned Dante's Inferno, which is not the game. So that makes sense. Yeah, you were probably talking about someone else. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's see. Where is back to pause menu? Bonk bonk. These. Maybe I should make a util function for this. Yeah, I think I should make a util function for it. Because I'm going to be doing this in a lot of places, probably.
I'm talking about Bitlytic when I say favorite furry streamer. Yeah, that checks
That's
out.
crazy.
I mean, he's my favorite furry streamer too, so.
Boy, I need you to fucking die. I need you to burn, I think.
I don't see how that's related. Like, I mean, yeah, but...
I love Dwarf Fortress. Sorry,
Me
my
too.
fault.
I love Dwarf Fortress.
Don't lie.
Goody, I'm thinking something. I'm thinking item where when you break out of phase, it like shoots bullets everywhere.
Okay.
Where would I hook that into here? I'm just thinking in terms of like code stuff. If I had an item that I wanted to trigger when like your phase, the phase breaks, which currently I have here on phase, if it's hit, it plays the break animation. How would I like tell it to do something when that happens? Should I just have like a signal that emits when the phase ends and then grab that somehow?
Let me think about it for a second. I'm putting you on screen because I'm gonna close my eyes and think about it.
Well, I just have the code on screens, but that's...
Yeah.
we can all think about it together.
Because my first thought is, so you wanted like a relic that does this or something?
Yeah.
So my first thought was, relics have access to a few different things. We could grab the, hold on. So like the simplest solution would be for the relic to have access to the phased handler and to listen to the break signal on the phased whatever, like however you're handling phased. However, if the relic is attached to the player when they don't have phased, or when they don't have the handler that handles phased, then that would be null, and so it wouldn't listen to that. So we also want to be able to listen to it whenever it gets added to the player later. Which there's a couple ways we could go about doing this. We could either have it as a generic event that's passed along. So like on the event router, there's like a phased broke or something. That I don't like because it's very specific to one implementation. The other thing is like have like a signal on the event, like the event router, that is like affinity updated or like effect added. Honestly, effect added might be the play. And then just have it so whenever effects. What's up?
Oh, okay. Whenever. Go ahead. Sorry.
So whenever whenever effects are added to the player, they it emits a signal automatically, and then anything that cares about that effect or wants to listen for certain things on an effect can listen for that event. When it gets added, it can then say, hey, I care about this event from this effect, and then go about its day because it won't do anything unless that signal triggers.
Okay. Yeah.
That's how I would imagine that would be, like,
Okay.
in an uncoupled way. Or it's gonna
I
be
just wanted to make
coupled.
sure there wasn't like some complicated thing I'd have to add.
Well, there is.
Everything's probably fine here.
But yeah. It's like a little bit. It's not much though. It's like a. How are you handling the face thing again? You're doing it in here, right?
It's a little weird, unfortunately.
It's the physical affinity handle. Oh, it's this thing. Wait,
Don't worry about it. No, but the physical affinity handler adds an effect.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, never mind.
This thing mostly just handles adding the effect and the visuals. The effect itself is what handles like the player not taking damage, giving them invulnerability, things like that.
And yeah, you definitely would not want to
makes
add.
The most sense.
Yeah, you wouldn't want the relic to listen for the physical affinity handler.
Yeah.
You would want it to be something that's on the phased effect itself. You would want this to be able to get it from there.
Yeah.
Which means that, yes, it would.
And now that I'm thinking about it, I might want to separate the visuals. So that way you can have phase without having the physical affinity. I didn't really think about that because I'm stupid.
Well, that's what I talked to you about. That's what I said before.
Yeah, but like
it's okay. I mean, on the bright side, it's not like hard to change. But
yeah, I just don't want to have to like add and remove the visual every single time. But maybe I will just do that.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad to add or remove the visual every time. So
I guess yeah. Let me think how I want to do this.
Wait, what the hell happened? If you don't mind, I'ma make my Obsidian Vault to know how I'ma code my Samsung Wrapped app. What the fuck are you talking about? Did you like AI generate that message? What the hell was that?
It's crazy.
It reads like Hano's speaking to me. Bizarre.
Yeah, Hano will randomly say things in the server that I mod in, which is really funny.
Weird.
He always just be like saying stuff.
Or should be speaking and shit.
Yeah. He's like, does drinking alcohol get me wish lists? And I'm like, yeah. I think he still has me blocked though, so.
W.
True. Let me think. How do I want to put this knot on the?
Why are we growling? What's up?
Where do I put the should I put the visual on like the effect then? Or should it be like somewhere separate? Should it like spawn it? Should the effect like spawn in a visual when it? Maybe that makes the most sense.
I would probably just have like a well, what's the phased effect? Is there a scene for it? Or like the phase handler?
I don't know. It's the same as however the other effects work.
Let me see.
Which I forget every time.
Effect phased. Okay, so it's just a generic handler. So what I would think it would be is something like this, except you would have a where the hell is this? Show in file system. So you already have this called player phased handler, which is fun. Because it's just like a generic handler. But you would have
yeah, because I was originally gonna make it for the player, and then but it's probably only gonna be on the player anyways. So
yeah, but
it's actually definitely going to only be on the player. I don't want enemy step phase.
But what if they did?
Like definitely not.
Well, honestly, I wouldn't put that as like a definitely not. I could definitely see an enemy giving themselves phased for a set period of time, like a boss or something.
That doesn't make sense because like it just means that they take one attack and then they stop, then they can take damage. It doesn't make sense.
Okay. Well, I was gonna say though,
it's like
have, like,
you
the
shoot
generic
like
handler.
50 bullets in 2 seconds. Oh
Yeah.
great, it absorbs one of them. Like
I was gonna say you can do this. Oh no, we're killing you.
Okay. So what you're saying is I can just copy this visual thing onto the handler and it'll work perfectly?
Probably.
Okay, cool.
Well, not perfectly, but you can probably do it.
Yeah.
You're gonna go to sleep early tonight. Dog, go to fuck to bed. It's a VOD. There's a VOD. Also, hello,
Nope,
Searching Interactive.
you better.
JW's
like,
ignoring you,
stay up.
even though you're in his Twitch chat technically.
Hello, how's the game going? It is going great.
Oh shit, dude.
I played a round of Slay the Spire before I started working on the game, and I lost.
Dude, you're getting like the
So now I'm sad.
JW's the AI fucking call center thing, just answering your calls. Oh my
I get
god,
so
dude!
many
I had
like
to
AI
call...
calls at work. It's so annoying.
Dude, I had to call my pharmacy the other day to see when my Adderall prescription was gonna be good to go, which like the most annoying thing ever. Because it's Harris Teeter, and they have like the AI shit, and so I call and it's like, "Hi, what can I help you with?" And then I know this song and dance, so I just go, "Talk to pharmacist." And he goes, "You'd like to talk to a pharmacist, is that right?" But if I say yes, then it'll be like, "Well, maybe I can help you. What's your problem?" And so I just kept saying "talk to pharmacist" like 10 times until eventually went, "I'm gonna connect you to a worker." I was like, "Yeah, dude, that's what I was looking for. I know you can't help me because I'm gonna say I want to check the status of my prescription, and it's gonna go, oh, well, just go to the website and check it then," and then it's gonna hang up.
Kind of fire.
Yeah. Class name. I believe this hides a built-in class. Is that? Yeah. Sure fucking does. I'll just call it a menu. I don't like it, but I will. Signal. Confirmed. Cancelled. And I also want there to be a description here, description label, and
We do live in an awesome future. I love AI.
we love AI around here. We love AI so much. I'm a big fan of AI, otherwise Dante's 9 would never have happened. We've used so much AI on the game.
Stop lying. Don't say that because people will believe you.
Dude, if they look at us sitting, if they look at me sitting here coding shit and I like flash to your screen every now and then where you're like actually doing art, like, and then they're like, yeah, they're obviously using AI. Then like, honestly, they should go wishlist the game instead. Just go wishlist the game. Go buy the game. It's not out yet, you can't buy it. But like, just go buy the game.
Instead of buying the game, you should go pre-order a box of Hobbit play boosters from magicthegathering.com.
AI, bad idea, hate it. I'm gonna... Here's a really cool thing that you can do. Join JW's Discord on like a separate account, like on an alt account, and then be like, holy shit, dude. Even though there's a few mistakes, AI has gotten so much better. This game looks great. And then like,
Don't do that.
make him feel bad.
Okay, I separated the visuals. That was pretty easy, actually.
Whoa.
We just make sure this doesn't. The only thing I'm
Gonna crash.
the only downside is the second the effect goes away, it deletes the border thing,
Yeah, just have it.
so it doesn't
like,
have the time to play
have
the
it just,
little
like, wait.
animation.
Just have it do like an await until it like.
Oh, I
finishes.
guess yeah, I can just like not queue free here. You're right.
The only thing about that is make sure if the effect, make sure the effect isn't like preventing the player from getting hit even after while the visuals. Like,
Yeah, I believe.
unless actually you could probably keep it that way. That way it's like there's a little.
Yeah,
bit
it's
of
if the
leniency.
attack is greater than 0. Yeah,
Okay.
or
But
amount.
yeah, maybe your
See if it does do
AI.
that. And then I can just add a queue free call to the
Also, hello Liberty.
to here. to the end.
Why did I read your message as instead of saying soggy croissant, I read it as soggy consent? What the fuck is wrong with my brain?
Yeah, you're a little
Soggy
weird.
consent. Also, the
I
game
love
is
adding
kinda...
call method tracks.
Yeah, they're actually so sick. What's the price of the game, JW?
$7.99.
Why $7.99? Is there any reason for $7.99?
Nope, just felt
Okay.
like it.
Fair enough. That's crazy. Bro didn't even like say the whole spiel.
Nope.
I tried to get the voice line to play.
And
Sorry,
it'll
guys.
be 6.7% off when it comes out.
It's crazy. Have I seen the new Box 3D physics? It's insane. I have not. What the fuck was Box 3D again? That was the Source 2 physics, right? Or am I wrong?
No.
What am I? No. What am I thinking of? What is Box 3D? I thought, isn't it somehow related to Source at all? Or am I stupid?
The only
I feel
downside
like
now
there's
is it doesn't
something
play the little disappear animation.
Huh?
If you watch the so this will go down and then it'll fill back up again and then it'll go down a little bit and then it'll disappear.
Ew.
Because I don't know. You're the one that coded the animation when it disappears.
Oh, it's because the thing goes below, or it's still ticking below 0. I think,
okay.
or something like that. Sandbox, I think is
so,
using Box 3D. That's why I'm thinking it's tied to Valve somehow. But it's not. Oh, it is Source 2
So,
physics?
yeah.
Never mind. Okay, Liberty says it's Source 2. So just kidding. Like, they use Box 3D. So I'm going to trust Liberty on that because that's like his autism. It's anything Source.
So in that case, maybe I should like reparent it to something else and queue free this.
Yeah, you could do that. It's not like a problem.
Just like reparent it to the player.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's
or you could
freeze.
Well, you can just parent it to the world. Like you don't have to. Like I believe you should be able to just do like level manager dot whatever. Like you can reparent to level manager.
Okay.
Or sorry, level manager dot current room, I believe.
But then what if you change rooms partway through
probably
it animating?
I don't know, it's probably fine.
I don't want probably fine.
Okay, well then
put it on the player, I don't care.
Okay. Whatever. Whatever, dude. Who cares? How many times are you referencing player in there?
I don't know too many. I don't know literally how to get the user, so I don't care.
It's an effect handler. I believe effect handler has the...
Nope, it doesn't. It might be its target. I don't know.
It's called target, yeah. Can you please replace it with target? Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Arr.
Alright, pause menu.gd. What do I want to do?
Look at the giant list of like items and cards that we need.
That's great, dude. I'm
Oh.
setting up the confirmation dialogue. I mean, how do I want to set this up?
Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought you were like trying to figure out what to do next after that.
I hate you.
Well, you
I hate you.
You're evil.
I hate this thing. Fuck it, you can come up with better text than this. Can I click on the player body node? You want to see something? Sure. Do you mean like this? Or do you mean somewhere else? What is this? I don't know why those are there. Here. There's some things in here I'm not particularly happy about, but here's the player. It's the light version that the dev who made the physics for Alex made and released, since they had control over a lesser version. Ah, I see. Oh shit, I can add a... You know what I mean?
Yeah. Nope, that's not what I wanted.
Sorry, these can actually all be null. I'm not going to have them be null in this case, but... Oh, just kidding, they can't be null. So then I can have them be default callables, right? What's up?
What?
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
What it?
Where's this at? Can you go back to the code that you wrote to put it on the player?
Wait, never mind.
What?
Don't worry about it. I got it.
Okay. You're too stupid to know what half of that is. You just wanted to see. It's just a bunch of components, really. The one thing that I'm not particularly happy about is I really don't like that all of the UI is here, but it used to be much worse. So at least they're like sectioned into their own little like scenes. That's pretty cool.
Another question for you, it's not game dev related, but just like general, is do you know of any way that I could like display the current like song that's playing on Spotify besides the default Spotify thing, or am I forced to use the default one?
The answer is I absolutely do, with the biggest asterisk imaginable.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Can you guess what that asterisk is?
What is?
What do you mean? What is?
What is?
What is? The biggest asterisk is I know how to do it because I wrote code to do it. The asterisk is I only know how to do it on Linux because it's something that doesn't exist on Windows. Because I had to code something for it on Linux because my little music program down at the bottom right of my stream, I had to code something to get the same data that it was using from Windows.
Ooh, something's definitely not right here. Oh, it's not queue freeing itself now. I accidentally. So, as you can see. As I can see.
Come
on.
I'm
this
seeing
is
it.
Statistically improbable. Why is it not triggering? There we go. There's like 10 billion of them on the screen.
Wow.
Yeah. It's quite funny looking.
That was cool. Ooh. Looks kind of cool like that.
It does look pretty cool.
Why is it not queue-freeing itself? I thought it was part of the animation.
It was, but I got rid of it because it was queue freeing the wrong thing. So now I need to re-add it and queue free the right thing.
I see. Is there a demo of some kind? Yeah.
Because what was happening is it was queue freeing. It's
that work? Fuck. Wait, is exclamation mark game not a thing in my chat? Am I stupid?
It's not, because your chat is like
here, I'm gonna do it on Steam. Or on Twitch, and then I'm gonna paste it into my YouTube chat.
You're a horrible streamer, I'm not gonna lie.
There we go. Yeah, you can go there. There's a playtest you can request. You can get access to
make sure to wishlist it, please wishlist it.
Yeah, he's gonna fucking cry if you
I
don't
haven't done any
wishlist it.
marketing. This is true. I'm already crying.
That's not related though. He'll cry more.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can go there. There's a playtest you can request to join. It'll automatically accept you, and then you can play it. There will be an update coming out very soon. There was supposed to be one on Tuesday.
There will be one tonight.
Out of Adderall. That's okay. I'm putting up some touches on some UI stuff, and then we're gonna build this and put it up so that you guys can enjoy it.
Yeah. What was happening is it was queue freeing the handler
Mhm.
from the animation player, but I was reparenting
Ah,
the visual to the player,
so it was
so it was
going up.
Q-freeing the player.
Yeah, it was doing ... 2 times to
Yes.
get up. Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, which is very funny. Anyways, so what were you saying about
Hmm?
Spotify music player? How did you set that up? Something?
Oh, what do you mean?
Like, how did you do that? Like,
I did it on Linux.
yeah, but like, how did you do it on Linux? Like, how does that work? I don't know how that works.
So Linux has a unified thing for hold on, sorry, I'm stupid and I write my code wrong. So Linux has a unified thing called dbus, I believe it's called, for getting information about audio streams on whatever. So like whenever you hit like the next button on your keyboard, if you have one, a next button, not a keyboard, I know you have one, and it like pops up the little like preview of what you're currently listening to in the top right. Linux has that as well, but for every program, there's like a unified way of getting the information shown there. So I have that where it just like, I have a Python script that connects to the audio or like the dbus for my music player and listens for events like changing thing, or like whenever it first loads, it's like what song is currently playing. But yeah, so I don't know how to do it in Godot. I don't know if you can do it in Godot actually. I'm sure you.
Well, I didn't mean Godot. I just meant. I guess you could do it in Godot maybe, but
Godot knows about dbus, the bus. Sure fucking.
but yeah, I wanted to maybe do some fun stuff with like stream UI and making it fancy. I wanted to see if I could have some cool way to swap between like your stream and my stream, and maybe have like a little mini preview of yours like in the corner or something.
Well, that has nothing to
Or
do
then
with.
have like a cool way to like switch it.
I mean, that has nothing to do
know.
with any like whatever. That's something you can.
No,
just
no,
do
no.
with
I'm
OBS.
also saying like that making a nice like music player visual thing would also be nice.
I got you.
Because like the default Spotify one works, but
Yeah,
I mean it's
yeah,
even better when you have a little cat spinning on top of it.
I see. Are you sure? Yes.
It's even
no.
better when it's playing Risk of Rain music. Maybe I'll just sit here and listen to the music instead of working.
I want this to be, I need a close dialogue.
Meow.
Where...
Meow. 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 Sorry.
Yeah, pretty much.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Okay, yeah, no, it's fine, dude.
Meow.
No, it's chill.
Meow.
No, it's
My
fine. You
bad.
don't. No, it's fine, dude. You can just like keep doing that. It's chill. Yeah. Yeah. Something like this. How do you close the game again? It's like os.quit. Yeah, it sure is. I sure hope that this is close the game and not close the OS.
Not close to your entire computer.
No, it's not called os.quit. There's os.crash, which is fun.
That is fun. I assume that's like different.
It's it closes the game with a crash message.
Yeah.
See also kill. Kill, terminate the process. See also crash. Yeah, sure. How do I close the game on the start menu? There's a button that closes the game, and it calls get tree.quit. It's not OS. Idiot. Oh no. Oh no, this motherfucker's getting on their PC to wishlist Dante's 9. That's dedication.
That's crazy.
JW thanks you for your service. I also thank you for your service, but I do think your sleep is worth a little bit more.
Nope, it's not.
Do we have a function in level
Your wish list is worth
manager?
about 50 cents probably.
That's crazy.
I'm just
Open
saying.
Start menu. Oh, actually, sorry. There's
Because
also.
I mean, usually wish lists have around a 5 to 10% conversion rate. So you take $8, round it a little bit, it's around 50 cents.
Wow.
A little bit of rounding. You know?
No, that's great, dude. So yeah, that's what you're worth.
So that's
to
why if you're
JW.
running ads, you want to have usually less than 50 cent per wish list, like a rate, or it's not worth it at all to run ads on anything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So yeah, you're 50 cents to me. I'm sorry. It's just how it is. Nothing I can do about it. His team is updating. I would love to be worth 50 cents.
That's crazy. I get it though.
That's probably more than my friend on Roblox Studio. I don't know. I've seen what
true.
Roblox devs can make.
Well, that's like the top
scary.
echelon of fucking.
No, all Roblox devs make like $5 billion. You know that?
All
That's how
Roblox
it is.
devs. Yo, Dante's 9 Roblox port win.
Yeah.
Did I code this right? I fucking hope so. Process mode is process mode inherit. If it's not visible in tree, we disable it, and then we. Okay, yeah, I guess I did. Cool. I made a function that you can call it if you want something to only process when it's visible, which is very cool because I hate rewriting that code over and over. Oh shit.
Oh, nice.
Thanks.
What the heck am I working on?
I don't know. Probably not much.
Well, phase works now. I just need to make it work with either like melee or physical attacks. However we want to do that.
Whoa.
I guess we could add like tags to attacks or something.
What the fuck? Where am I? Where am I? Everything's dark. Where am I? What am I? What do I have?
We could like
focused?
end stream and play Magic.
I hate you.
I'm just trying to motivate you to work more.
Find you, get focused. True is currently there. What the hell? Confirmation dialogue. Pop up.
Let's look up the
show.
notes. Ooh, that was bright.
Is this not popped up currently? Bondsmenu.gd. Oh, I'm so stupid and dumb in idiot mode. Let's make this a UI group here. Bonk. Focus mode visibility. It is exclusive. I will be forcing focus. I'll toss this here. This is visible and exclusive, but it's hidden by default. I think that's the problem.
Is the video to-do list where we put everything. There it is. Thought of a new card for fire. Where's fire? What do we call this? Basically, it's a thing where you have a little area around you, and it sets things on fire within the area. What do we call it?
What?
There's a little area around the player, and it sets things on fire. It's
Feral
like Dante
flare.
Mad or whatever. Feral flare.
Feral flare. No, don't call it that. Don't call it that. Don't call it that. People will make fun of us.
Why?
You ever heard of this little game? It's a very tiny game.
Don't say it.
What?
Don't say it.
What do you think I'm gonna say?
You're gonna say it's League of Legends. I hate this guy.
What? You said don't say it. You should make it Sunfire
Okay,
Cave.
what are we calling it? No,
Why not?
because that's also League of Legends.
How? What? Where are you getting that information from? Where are you getting this information from?
I just know.
You just know.
Yeah.
I just know. I just know.
I just know. Like, okay, dude, for sure.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. My pause menu's gone.
Pause.
He was done downloading. You added to the wish list. Oh no. We got this motherfucker up and out of bed. Time to end stream.
But when are you gonna like actually use your VTuber model, like the goat that you are?
See,
instead of
here's
using
actually,
your little
it's
guy?
funny you bring that up. I did actually try getting it to work on Linux, but I
Oh,
couldn't
does it
figure
not
out.
work on Linux?
It's I have to like install a couple of things to get it to work because the
Is
face
it like
tracking
the face
that I use
tracker or
is
what? Okay.
huh?
Okay.
Yeah, the face tracking I use is through like my NVIDIA GPU. So I have to
Does like whatever VTube Studio not just have that built in?
no. So here's the fun thing actually. Let me
I don't know how that works. So
YouTube Studio. No, so I can't use that with because it's the NVIDIA driver, some specific shit that only NVIDIA has made for Windows because it's like an NVIDIA specific thing. However,
so what the heck do I do if I have AMD?
you can use something else, but for Linux specifically, I have to do some shit. They actually have a guide for it, and I tried setting it up. Like I promise you, actually, I can show you.
Yeah. Sure you did.
Because if I go under stream, I actually have a thing called projects, and let me make sure if I go in here, if it's the correct thing. Yeah, so I actually have this thing called OpenC Face, which is what the tool is called, and I tried running it, and it just didn't work.
That's kind of funny.
What's the? Oh yeah, look, it even recognizes. If I type in Python, it even like remembers the last fucking thing that I typed in, which was this, and I can turn it on. And if I get my webcam, it will. So it's not pointed at my face right now, and if I point it at my face, you can see that it's now giving errors. Not at face, at face, not at face, at face.
It's like this guy's so ugly. It's not. We're not gonna make
No,
it work.
it's like there's like some library that I don't have working on Linux. And I don't.
see.
I can't figure it out. I was gonna take some time to fix it at some point, but I just haven't had the chance to. But I did try doing it, so that's pretty cool. My pause menu, Liberty. I'm blowing you up with my mind. Oh shit, Master
Pause.
Liberty. The username is currently rotating
Pause.
above the flames of hell, screaming, "No, don't drop
Is that
me
a
in."
Dante 9 reference?
Sure is. Why is this not working?
So what actually do we call this card?
I don't know.
I hate this guy.
I hate this guy. I hate this guy.
I hate this guy. Like, okay, we get it. Sorry, my bad. Kinda. Also, really cool thing that I didn't even think about. The keyboard navigation just works on this, and even on this menu it
what?
works.
Oh, sick.
Like it works. Look at that, dude.
That's pretty sick.
It
actually.
works. It wasn't supposed to close the game. I have it to the wrong function, I think. But that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it's calling quit. Lol. Open main menu. So yeah, if you take a look at this now, I can go yes, and now I'm back at the main menu. Or I can... Ah, shit. Why is it hidden? Why? Why are you not visible? Go back to visible. Fix it. Why?
That's crazy.
Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. How do you leave while you're in a run? So we don't have saving and loading of runs right now because it is currently not like progression wise. Like we don't have a lot of the multiple levels and things set up in a way that we want you to actually complete full runs. So you kind of just like can close the game. Yeah. I mean, you can see right now that's one thing that I'm working on is like trying to add more confirmation stuff. But yeah, we have not put together the big multiple floors thing because like right now it's just like one floor that you can play over and over if you want. So there's not really like saving your run and coming back to it later currently because at maximum it should maybe take like 10 minutes for you to get through what's in the game. All right, sorry. At maximum, it should maybe be like 20 minutes. At minimum, it's probably like 2. Go back to main menu. Yes. Yeah, the pause, the freeze is jarring. Liberty. Yeah, I do agree. And it is something that yeah, it'll one of those like a fade or something. Let me think. Thinky. Also, you'll notice in the actual game right now, Fire Blast, is if you open up the binder, which is just the escape menu, if you just compare it to the speed of the one that opens here, it is like actually tragic. It is so tragic how slow the fucking old binder opens.
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, let's check this out, JW.
How's it going over there? Let's see it. I am getting a bit tired, but
we now have pause buffering in the game.
oh, what does that mean?
What?
Like you can pause the game?
Yeah, you can pause the game and like play like a certain number of frames at a time without like you can take it like super slow if you want. But
oh, I see. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
So you
this
don't
binder
bug,
is way
I
faster.
guess.
But yeah, so this is the menu.
Yeah.
So resume.
Do all the buttons work?
settings,
Yeah.
collection, main menu. No, I don't.
I think maybe calling collection either like
Inventory?
binder or deck would be better.
Okay, I can do that. Like, just want to call it deck or like cards.
I would say deck.
Could also maybe move this above settings. Deck, like this. It could also be called like run info.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Sorry.
Card binder.
Yeah, there we go. Perfect.
Okay. That menu is only in the project. It's only in the project. This is the last thing that we want to add before we push up the update. Because there's a few things that have been updated. Quality of life things is also just like general.
Yeah,
things.
theoretically, the stickers that aren't supposed to be in there also shouldn't show up anymore.
That's true, yeah, theoretically. So yeah, these work. So card binder opens up the binder, as you can see. Settings opens up the settings. You can close it. You can also remap. So if I press escape whenever I'm doing this, it won't close the menu unless I'm not remapping anymore. Main menu, I can choose yes or no. No. Main menu, no. Main menu, no. Main menu, yeah. Escape. Escape, 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 escape. Quit, no. Quit, no. Quit, no. Quit, yeah.
Quit, yeah.
Quit, yeah. If you're in the deck and press Shift, Windows tab, While your mouse is on a card, you can just move your mouse fully to right, and the card rotates like 90 degrees. Yeah, it does that. It sure does.
Wait, why does
Wait,
it
is
do
that more of a... is that a way to recreate it? Oh, shit. Wait, you might be cooking with that one. Oh, I'm on Linux. That might not be the easiest thing to recreate. There's like, AI viewers, get the fuck out of here. Get your ass out of here. Hey, yo, the fucking double. Oh my god. They tried to hit me with a double and acted like I wasn't paying attention.
AI viewers? What the hell?
Ooh, that was fun, actually.
Get out of here.
Did you see that?
Huh?
I'm highlighting this
Where?
card. I go to the next page and back. Ooh.
Oh, very cool.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I might just leave that in for now, because I don't feel like fixing that. And it's like, it fixes itself whenever you input on the left side of the screen. So it's like, who cares? Whoa. I did get it myself. You
Very
can also,
nice.
you can move your mouse off the screen if you have multiple monitors. You can see the back of the card if you rotate it enough. Oh, that's... Oh, the shadow disappears. Yeah, because the shadow doesn't have a background.
That's very funny.
It's a fun little secret that you just found out is the shadow doesn't exist whenever it turns itself around because the shadow only has a front side. Also, if you didn't know, there is 0 3D in the game. It is all 2D.
Yeah, we wrote it all ourselves.
We
instead
didn't
of
write
a little
that part
shader off
ourselves.
The internet.
We did get that shader off the internet. However, I have done a lot of modification to that shader.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't write it myself, but up until the point of like the shader, like basically the only part is like the math to do the 3D. The reason it has a back of the card is because whenever you pick a card, it has like a little animation, and we want to have more animations where it like shows the cards getting like flipped around. And also, one of the plans that we have is to have different deck types later so that you can have like modifiers to the run. And one of the big things for that is we want the back of the card to reflect what deck you're currently using, kind of like Balatro. Also, did you change anything about the UI? Did you want to change the health bar at the bottom left?
No, I think it's okay. We can try it, and if people absolutely hate it,
Okay.
we can.
I also hid the relics from here. Do you want to keep that hidden, or do you want to...
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay. Because then it's only in here under this. And currently these don't have like the description box. They just have this that you can hover. Is that chill?
Yeah.
No, there's a AI viewer in your chat.
Another one.
Dude, they're all flooding at the same time. Ah, shit.
Yeah,
Does that mean...
you
No,
guys
no,
need
no.
to
Hold
get
on,
outta
hold on,
here.
hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm scared. I'm adding text to my stream really quickly. I'm adding about to end. About
Bro,
to
let's get
end
raided.
stream. Please, God, do not raid me right now. Please, 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 please. I'm scared. I'm scared. Transform center horizontally. Okay. Surely that's enough to keep to give the viewers to someone who's going to be keep streaming. Pressing G was the best decision of your life. I can give you a better one if you want. Once you've finished playing around with the game, and like actually playing it, you can do Shift R, and it'll open up the same debug menu that we have here, and do any of the debug stuff. If you want to play around with the other cards and stuff. Why did it only deal 3? Because I have Joker. I have something in my hand that Ancient Tome. Okay. What was I? Was there something else I was doing? I was showing you stuff.
Nope.
Was there anything else,
Nope.
or was that it?
We're gonna go play Magic.
Wait, hold on. Was there anything broken with this menu? I don't think so. I think this works fine. Yeah. This is what we want.
Yeah.
Okay, I also made it so whenever I hit escape... Ah, fuck. No, it wasn't supposed to do that. It was supposed to back out of this first and then go back to this. Hold on. Oh, because it processes the input on the other one first, right? Yeah. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, that's a small annoyance. I'll write that down as a to do. Block closing this menu until other menus are already closed. There's a slight annoyance, which is that if you open up the settings and once you're done in here, if you press escape, it just goes back into the game rather than back to this menu, which I think it should do. Because in my mind, it should take...
Yeah, probably.
Because it's like, this is like one layer.
Yeah.
This is the second layer. You press escape, it should take you back to the previous layer. Because like with this, whenever I hit escape, it just goes back here. Versus that. But that's because of some other shit. But yeah, I can figure that out probably. But yeah, anyways, we will be pushing an update to this because the game has not been updated in a minute. Because a lot of the changes that we've been doing are ones that we've just been holding on to. Why can't you pick what card you want anymore? It's just using the left one. Huh? Try using your arrow keys left and right and hope that it... Oh, wait, sorry. Why can't you pick... you mean like in your hand? You can probably use the scroll wheel to move around. If it wasn't clear, you can also, when you're holding right click, in that version, you have to push up to select a card and you can move left and right. Or if you're on controller, you use like the top, like, if this is your controller stick, it's like this range here on the top is like, what a terrible diagram, but it's like kind of the top range of the controller is what you use to pick the card. We really need to... I don't exactly know how we want to do the thing about the different inputs. Because my favorite is definitely the number keys, because that makes the most sense to me. You know?
Yeah.
He has no idea. Anyways, but yeah, we will be pushing this update up soon, TM. Because there's just been things that have been... We want people to play around with the new cool stuff. And also some of the new usability UX stuff, like this menu is no longer just open when you press escape. Now it's an actual menu. So if you want to change your settings, you don't have to wait for this and then fucking click down here. It's just funk. Oh, I should get rid of these buttons, right?
Which ones?
And I should put new run in here. Actually, let me do that really, really quickly.
I don't think we need a new run button.
I don't care.
Nope, no new run button.
Why not? What?
Because
No,
it doesn't make sense.
it does. You're wrong.
Fine.
It's a roguelike. In what world does a new run button not make sense?
But you don't put it on the pause menu.
Why not? Where else would you put it?
In like the main menu.
Why?
Because
But if you put it in the pause menu, then like if you want to do a new run, you have to go all the way back to the new run, or the main menu, and then click on the new run button, and then start from there. Whereas like, if you want to just like quick restart, like you can just press the button.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And besides, look at how easy this is going to be. Because I can say, open confirmation, start a new run, question mark, and then start new run, which is going to be a function that I define here. Func, start new run, void pass. Does this do... Actually, I lied a little bit. And then I need to do level manager dot new run dot run dot start reset game. I think. You enjoy the stream? When's the next time we'll be live? So we go live. Fuck. What an unfortunate question. JW, what time are we streaming on Sunday?
Depends on if I want to play Magic.
Evil.
Maybe we stream on Saturday.
Maybe we stream on Saturday. I don't like that idea. I actually really don't like that idea.
What's wrong with Saturday?
Because like, I like having a multi-day break from streaming and putting that on like
Yeah, you have
putting that
Friday,
on
and then Sunday.
Monday is not good because Sunday's not a true break day because you're thinking about having to go back to work the next day. So Saturday is like a nice day to just have nothing on.
Yeah, well, I play Magic on Sunday, so
Okay, well, then I'll stream on Sunday and you can stream on Saturday.
maybe Sunday afternoon, like later in the day. Like
It would be a bad decision
5.
for you to watch Saturday. Fair enough, yeah. I mean, what time do you play Magic on Sunday?
Like noon. It depends.
I mean, I could always just stream
The
early
shop
and then
that I
you
go
can stream
to is
late
like
and then
noon to 6. Yeah.
so probably Sunday.
And that's
like
if I
2:30
go. I don't
PM
know if I'll
EST.
actually go. If I go.
Somewhere around there. We usually stream on Sunday, 2:30 p.m. EST. So like now minus like 6.5 hours. It is right at 9 p.m. for me right now. Also, yeah, I see this JW.
Yeah.
Like restart run, start a new run. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
But anyways, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. We will be back on, well, I at least will be back on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. EST. But until then, we will put out an update for Dante's 9, hopefully tonight. Provided, I don't know. I have to swap over to Windows to do that, I think. So that means I get to play a League of Legends game as a reward.
You're kind of evil.
Well, I haven't set up the build system, or I haven't set up the whole like Steam pipeline on Linux yet.
That's fair.
But yeah, join the Discords or wishlist on Steam or both or anything. But we will catch you guys later. Good night.
Good night. Bye bye.